Hey guys, Moto 35 here on Breakers TV. Guys, we're doing 2 boxes of 2015 Jumbo baseball. Guys, I did slice it. I did not retape it. I didn't want to do that to show that it's surely my mistake. I thought it was my personal case of Topps Chrome football. I won't lie, but this is a full case. 2015 Bowman Chrome baseball Jumbo. Empty. Doing 2 boxes here. Here we go. You guys have a preference? What do you guys want to do? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which one? Which one you want me to break? Anybody? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Got Colin 3. Anybody else? Going once. Twice. Colin 2. Colin 2 so far. Anybody? Colin 2. Alright, here we go. Sorry, Duke. You lost. Colin 2. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Here we go. Break number 6, yep. Break number 6. Alright, box 1. Good luck, guys. Let's pull some nastiness coming out of here. Guys, I will message you guys if you guys are interested in doing a case break. After we're done, I'll tell you what the price would be and see what you guys think. We'll go from there. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Purple coming up. Nick Gordon for the Twins. Brett. Purple out of 250 for the A's. Chrome. First hit, Milton Ramos for the Mets. Congratulations to the Mets. Milton Ramos for the Mets. There we go. Don't do Heritage. That's all you do, T-Bone? That's it. What about National Treasures for football? Wow for the Cardinals. Here we go. You don't like draft? I love draft. Alex Jackson for the Mariners. Preston Tucker out of 150 for the Astros. Blue refractor. I'm waiting for something now. We got a blue pack. Blue pack. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Castillo for the Red Sox. Yeah. Brasino for the Tigers. Lopez for the Nationals, Kemp for the Astros, and Jake Gatewood for the Brewers. It's your blue pack. Base. There we go. Refractor, Steven Bruno for the Cubs out of 499. Rob for the Yankees. Updates. I'm waiting for something nasty out of here. Here we go. Zach Bird refractor out of 499 for the Dodgers. Congratulations to the Dodgers. $4.99. Zach Bird for the Dodgers. Nomar for the Rangers. Carlos Rodon for the White Sox. Oh, we might have something coming up here. Chris Brown, we might have something coming up here. Hold on. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Trevor, 4-5 for the Cardinals. Rosella, I can't say his name. Rosella, I can't say his name, but Trevor, 4-5, another low numbered, out of the motor pit. There we go, the Cardinals. Congratulations to the Cardinals. Very nice card. Too bad it wasn't auto, but still, 4-5. There we go, Trevor. Rosthenel, Trevor. Slaughtering that name. Alright, here we go. Luis Trevino, the Yankees. Refractor, Carlos Rodon, $4.99 for the White Sox. And base. God, we still got a lot of autos. What's going on with these autos? Where are they at? Should have 3 autos still. Green coming up. Gorhera out of 99 for the Mariners, green refractor. Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Tanaka for the Yankees. For the Cubbies, not the guy we want, but the Cub hit, Victor for the Cubs. Congratulations to the Cubbies. Congratulations to the Cubs. Right. Ellen Hansen for the Pirates. Base. Still going. All right, here we go. Come on, there we go. Raciel Iglesias at a 150 for the Reds. Congratulations for the Reds. Blue. Booyah. Got some color. Congratulations. Who's got the Reds? Is that T-Bone? At a 150. Who's got the Reds? Oh. He's got a lot of teams. Colin Moran for the Astros. There we go. Who's got this one? Jacob. Bada bing, bada boom. DeGrom for the Mets at a 99 back cut. Who's got that bad boy? Is that Duke? There we go. Motor Pit. Bada bing, bada boom. Blasting you. Very clean, guys. Very, very clean card. Very clean. Look at that. Booyah. Yeah, buddy. Congratulations, dude. I get a better picture. Yeah, it's out of 99. I thought it was going to be lower. It's 97 and 99. I thought I was going to be lower parallel numbered than that. Very clean. Congratulations. It's on sticker, too. Congrats, sir. Nice card. Absolutely, man. Love pulling that still. AJ Cole for the Nationals. Joe for the Giants. It's you guys, man. Your box two. I mean, your not box two, but your second stat. All right, guys. Here we go. Second box. Thank you again, guys, for joining in. I appreciate it. Guys, I will be busting Bowman Chrome again tomorrow night. Hopefully we'll see tomorrow night. And then I got draft coming in. I know some of you guys don't like draft. I love draft. It sucks certain, but I like it. See how many autos were out of this one? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there was 5. There's 5. Let's see, everything's all running good. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's pull some more monsters. Come on, one time. 2 boxes in a row. Here we go. Austin for the Mariners. Congratulations. Mariners. Austin. Dominic Smith for the Mets. Steven for the Mets. Steven Matz. Nick Swisher for the Indians out of 499 refractor. Austin Bryce for the Mariners. 99. Marlins, excuse me, not Mariners. Marlins. Green refractor. Monte Harrison for the Brewers. Alright, let's keep going. I want to see something sick. One time. Hunter Harvey. Orioles. Tall boy. You guys... Oh, alright.